Hello and good day, dear customers. Welcome to the Havo Academy. My name is Dirk. I'm Havo's Customer Care Manager, and on today's schedule we'll be looking at the award-winning Havo 950 NanoPak sealing machine, as well as the initial installation procedure. You can switch on your sealing machine using the on-off button on the left-hand side. Then please wait for the sealer's booting procedure. Once the booting procedure is completed, please choose your main language. Additionally, you've got the choice on secondary and third languages. To activate the language you would like to use the machine in, please choose again the correct one and confirm by the green tick. As follows, you will be asked to enter the current date and time, as well as the date and time format. So first the year in 4 digits, followed by the month in 2 digits, and the day in 2 digits. Time settings are changed easily in the same manner. And please activate 12-hour or 24-hour time display. Your sealing machine is now ready. Thank you very much for watching our Academy tutorial. For further questions or comments, please get in touch on our email account.